We'll guide you through how to make a website with Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website using your desktop browser and click on Get Started. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, click on Create New Site to begin. Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create. Choose from options like business, portfolio, blog, or online store. This helps tailor the features to your needs. Next, you'll be asked if you want to use the Wix ADI, which is an artificial design intelligence that builds a site for you based on your answers to a few questions, or if you'd prefer to stick with the classic Wix editor. For more customization, select the Wix editor. Now, you can choose a template from hundreds of professionally designed options. Preview them to see which one suits your vision best, and click Edit when you've made your choice. In the Wix editor, you have complete control over your site's design. You can drag and drop elements like text, images, videos, and buttons. To add new elements, click on the point icon. Make sure to explore the Pages and Menu tab to add new pages or alter the navigation. Customize your site by changing fonts, colors, and backgrounds using the Theme Manager. Don't forget to connect your domain if you have one. Click Site in the top menu, then Connect Domain. Follow the instructions to either buy a new domain or connect one you already own. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish in the top right corner to make your site live on the internet. Wix also offers SEO tools to help your site get found on search engines. Use them to optimize your content with keywords and descriptions. Regularly update your website with fresh content to keep it relevant. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.